What's up? This just smells so good. And you are part of the Just Smells So Good Nation. I'm riding today in, Southside Boulevard and put this on low mode energy because I'm picking up my sons a little bit. This is a review for Salvatore Ferragamo. Salvatore Ferragamo. You have watched the designer Salvatore Ferragamo for many years. You have rappers, you have artists, you have multi-millionaires, you got regular people that wear Salvatore Ferragamo. But beg your pardon. What most people don't realize, Salvatore Ferragamo has some of the best fragrances in the world. I mean, awesome fragrances, especially for men. I mean, the men fragrance is banging. I think Salvatore Ferragamo Blue is one of the top-notch fragrances that I was selling earlier 5 years ago, and I was just jamming it because most people didn't understand and they didn't know the fragrance. It's a mild, smooth fragrance, similar to almost like a polo type. But polo type to, it's one more different fragrance that goes with Salvatore Ferragamo. It's like a mild, how would I say it, clean breeze. It's just a very, very manly scent. I mean, when you have the opportunity, you should go smell several of Salvatore Ferragamo fragrances. Their shoes are awesome also if you ever had a pair. And the clothes are awesome, the belt's awesome. Everything that's Salvatore Ferragamo I enjoy. Now, Salvatore Ferragamo also have some women fragrances that's also nice, but I can't think of it right now. What the fragrance that I did sell. But I do know if you ever encouraged to buy Salvatore Ferragamo in a fragrance or just a spray, man, you should get the Salvatore Ferragamo Black and Salvatore Ferragamo Blue. They have one called Salvatore Ferragamo Red also, but I'm not sure if it's out of circulation or whatever, but you can search that in your toolbar and find out what fragrance I'm speaking of. But I really do enjoy fragrance that scent. I wear it sometimes on the winter day, and most of the time I wear it during the summer. I have several different fragrances that I wear during the summer. I use right now I'm wearing SoCal by Hollister, awesome. And next fragrance I wear is I do wear Polo Gold Blue. I'm just trying that out. It fits my fancy sometimes. Depends on what I'm wearing. If I want to just culturally shock people, I wear that. But you all know the best fragrance I enjoy the most is Egyptian Musk Red. It is mature, man. It is mature. Now, like always, and some of you have subscribed and moved away and shockingly moved away from the Just Smells So Good Nation for some reason or another. And most of the cases is because you do not want to hear about how you can make money. You want to buy the fragrance that I'm reviewing. And like I always have told you, and I will continue to tell you, there's several people talking about reviews. And reviews is only good for the people who can purchase the fragrance right now. And I'm doing both. If you want to buy the fragrance right now, or you can just place in your tender's hand and say, look here, I just want to support this channel of the Just Smell So Good Nation. I want to pay him by PayPal over 1660 at yahoo.com. I want to pay him at Cash App, BHO Innovation. And if you are a more person who looking to get into that business, and let me explain to you this. this business is not cheap, but it's profitable. It is not cheap, but it is profitable. So it's a difference. Profitability takes money. Marketing your business and yourself is not no quick results. Go over to BHO Innovations down below and you could just get all the free videos that I offer to teach you how to market your business and the reason, the mindset to have to market any business, food, water, clothes, any business could be profitable if you know what you're doing in your marketing. Now, if you want to buy Salvatore Ferragamo, I may have that on our channel, but most times the reason why we don't have it is because trademark infringement. I can tell you it's a type. I can tell you it's similar. I can tell you it's almost alike, but I cannot sell the fragrance per se on our Just Smells So Good because Google will shut us down, YouTube will shut us down, and they will shut you down too. So enjoy the fragrance, enjoy what we have to offer. Go over there, make this happen, make your money, baby. Learn how to make this money in the fragrance oil business. And if you're looking for air fresheners or more, I can help you with that also. But you can't buy one or two. I sell it too high for that. If you're looking for a minimal and you're trying to get your hand, touch your fingers like this in the oil game, it's expensive, man. And I understand how you feel. Some of you don't have the money right then and there to invest. And it takes money to invest, to return your money. Because right now, if you play with it in the oil game, and so many people doing it, as they say, but a lot of people ain't making no money from it, so they don't know how to market it. You know, you just got to go to Just Smells So Good and BHO Innovation to find out how I can help you get into the game of fragrance. Make this money, man. All right. Welcome to the Just Smells So Good Nation. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, make a comment, and share this information with all your friends and family. I appreciate all the subscribers who are on here, who join the Just Smells So Good Nation. Also the ones who leave in and come back and forth. I understand you want me to subscribe to you, but I just don't have time. And the videos are not going to be as long because I'm busy. I have 3 businesses I have to run. And running 3 businesses, marketing 3 businesses, socializing with 3 businesses, talking to 3 people, vendors and everything else is a business matter. It's not personal. It's just the way it is. And if you want to learn business and get into the game, buy my book, Business Hustle Owner. I teach you how to hustle. And the business is about the hustle. If you don't believe any business about the hustle, don't get into business. Get on a job. And if you need money, get on a part-time job and invest into a business. I like all of y'all, man. I'm going to holler at you later. Peace. Please do this today. Peace.